Hello, welcome to a short video on job evaluations and job ranking. Job evaluations and job ranking tool. Here's an outline of a tool and process to complete job evaluations to create a jobs ranking to assist you establish fair and reasonable pay levels. Internal equity is an ongoing challenge, and this process will assist you. Job factors. Identify the job factors that are key to your jobs with the senior management team. Weight the job factors. Define the factors. Provide definitions for each job factor. Apply a scale from 0 to 10 to each factor for each job. Score and rate the jobs. Go through each job and rate the factors specific to each job. Job ranking. An overall job rating score and weighted score are calculated automatically. All jobs are then ranked. Why do a jobs evaluation? Evaluating jobs takes time. It's an excellent project for HR and managers to work on together. There's a lot of knowledge sharing. You will have an equitable pay structure and more in-depth knowledge of jobs, people requirements, and the work environment. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, please share with others.